Investigators allege a shell corporation laundered money from a foreign terrorist organization. Our Sydney Ryan is in Carolina Forest in a neighborhood to break down that case for us. So, Sydney, it really is all very complicated.
Yes, Eric, it totally is. But here's what we learned. On Monday, this home and 3 other ones on Calhoun Falls Drive and one other on Fort Hill Way, where I am right now, were forfeited to the United States government, and law enforcement came by to let those people inside the homes know. It's a part of a federal lawsuit alleging the owner of the homes was part of a money laundering scheme involving a shell corporation and a foreign terrorist organization.
You know, it's kind of scary to think something illegal, supposedly illegal, is going on in a family-friendly neighborhood.
Neighbors reacting to 5 homes in the Parks neighborhood in Carolina Forest being forfeited to the government due to a federal lawsuit. Investigators allege that New Star Holdings, a chemical import and export business that was once headquartered in Myrtle Beach, was a front and used real estate properties in the Carolina Forest area to launder money and sell a chemical used to make meth to the Sinaloa cartel. The lawsuit alleges the owner of New Star, Ray Cheese Zhang, purchased a total of 4 homes between 2023 and 2024 with cash from money laundering and the chemical trafficking. The 5th home was purchased in 2024 by Zhang's mother. Neighbors I spoke to say they know at least some of the houses were rented. One man tells me the forfeited home that he lives across the street from does still have tenants, but they appear to be moving out. Another neighbor tells me he doesn't believe the renters have anything to do with the case.
But I told my wife, but that has nothing to do with the renters renting the homes. Just because they're renting the homes doesn't mean that they're involved.
Documents state the international scheme came to a halt in May of this year when DEA agents became aware of a shipment being sent by New Star to Sinaloa, Mexico. The documents allege the shipment had over 50,000 kilograms of a chemical used to make meth. But law enforcement seized the shipment in California before it reached Mexico. Documents state that after the shipment was seized, 3 of the Carolina Forest properties were listed for sale. People I spoke to in the neighborhood today say the community is worried about their safety with this crime on their street.
I can tell you that for a fact. The neighborhood does not like it. You know, especially the moms and the fathers. I mean, they got the kids playing in the street. You know, who wants to have this in their neighborhood? Nobody.
The FBI told us earlier today no arrests have been made and that this is an ongoing matter. Reporting in Carolina Forest, Sydney Ryan, WMBF News.